And advisors. Either on the doubt check. So please make sure that when you're speaking, please push the button of the microphone.
Your first visit ever to Georgia. So as the Prime Minister said this morning, Georgia is very much keen to deepen and widen relations with Serbia. We have lots of similarities. We have also, I hope, a common European future in front of us that we have to work very hard to find and regain our place among the European family of nations. We have similar challenges.